Ever wondered if an AI could look at a screenshot of a website and instantly write the code behind it? Like literally turning a picture into a program. That's the wild idea behind VisCodex, a breakthrough AI model that's rewriting the rules of how machines understand and generate code. Let's break down how it works and why it's a big deal. Here's the challenge. Most AI models excel at either understanding images or reading text, but combining them to write code. That's like asking a robot to not just describe a bridge, but also build it from scratch. Current systems can describe visuals, like saying, "This chart shows rising sales," but they struggle to turn that into actual code. They lack the programming logic to make it functional. That's where VisCodex steps in. Instead of building a new model from scratch, researchers did something clever. They merged two existing AI models. One excels at visual analysis. Think of it as the photo expert that recognizes UI layouts or charts. The other is a coding powerhouse, like a code wizard that knows syntax and logic. By blending their strengths, they created a single model that's both a visual pro and a coding genius. The magic here is a technique called task vectors. Imagine these as special instructions that capture what each model learned. By combining these vectors, the team taught the AI to see and code at the same time. It's like giving the model a dual brain, one for interpreting images, one for writing code, and a bridge connecting them. But how did they prove it works? They built a massive dataset called MCD, multimodal coding dataset, with 598,000 examples. Think of it as a library of code and visuals. From HTML layouts to chart image pairs, and even coding puzzles from Stack Overflow, this dataset trained the AI to tackle real-world challenges. To push it further, they created InfiBench-V, a tough new test where images are essential. For example, you might see a buggy app screenshot and have to write code to fix it. No image. You're stuck. And the results? VisCodex crushed the competition. It outperformed other open-source models, and even rivals proprietary giants like GPT-4o. The best part? The code and datasets are open source, so anyone can build on this work. So what's next? Imagine designers handing a UI mockup to an AI and getting working code in seconds. This isn't sci-fi, it's the future of development. But while AI like VisCodex is pushing boundaries, developers still face real-world coding hurdles. Let's explore some common pitfalls and how to solve them. Ever hit a wall with your terminal after editing bash profile? You add a line like export path equals ~bin $path to customize your environment, but suddenly commands stop working. The culprit? A missing new line at the end of the file. While it might look fine, some systems require that final line break to parse the file correctly. It's like leaving a sentence unfinished. Your computer can't process it. The fix? Open the file in a text editor, add a blank line at the end, and save it. Simple, right? Suppose you're creating a stacked area plot in Python with PLT stackplot, but the output is jumbled. The issue? Data formatting. Your input needs to be a list of arrays, where each array represents a category's values. For example, if you're tracking sales for 3 products over a year, each product's sales should be a separate list. PLT stackplot then stacks them neatly, showing the cumulative total. It's like building a layered cake. Each layer category adds to the whole. Imagine you're coding a 2D game where a character moves in a circular path. You'll use trigonometry, x equals r math cos theta and y equals r math sin theta for coordinates. But here's a tip. JavaScript's math functions use radians, not degrees. So if you're working with degrees, convert them first using math, pi/180. It's like translating between two languages. Once you're fluent, the code flows smoothly. Trying to center a square in Flutter, but it keeps appearing in the top left. The issue? You're using positioned without specifying left and top as percentages. In Flutter, positioned requires explicit positioning. The fix? Set left 50% and top 50%, then adjust with transform, matrix 4, translation values, width/2, height 0 to center the square perfectly. It's like placing a sticker on a poster. You've got to account for the sticker's size to get it just right. These examples show how even small details can trip up developers, but with the right approach, solutions are within reach. Whether it's a hidden new line, data formatting, angle conversions, or layout math, understanding the why behind the code makes all the difference. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and let's build the future, one line of code at a time.